back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Flags, here we go. Heat race number 1, Mason Ziegler out of Chalk Hill, Pennsylvania, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Saturday, the truth on the outside. Kyle Lee in the General Lee. He's inside row 2. On the outside, Logan Zarin in the 1Z. Kenny Yoder in the 34D. And then we got Dave Stam in the 10. 8 laps is the distance. Fire, here we go. Green, green. Ziegler marches out to the early lead. Satterley in second. Lee trying to run down the truth. He'll lead lap number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Mason Ziegler. Lee with a big run, off 2. Satterley closes the door. Ziegler stretches his lead out. Satterley second, Lee third. Zarin fourth, Yoder, then Stam. Halfway, halfway. Zarin now trying to work on Lee in the 2T. They'll race down hard into 3. Yellow flag, Stam. Yellow flag for Stam on the backstretch. Turn 2. Yellow flag. Ziegler pacing the field. Satterley, Lee, Zarin, Yoder, Stam. Ziegler fires early, catches him sleeping. Lee on the top groove, trying to get around Satterley for second. What a race. Lee, he drifts up high. Zarin ducks over him. It'll be white flag when Ziegler comes around the track his time around. Checkered flag, heat race number 1, it's Mason Ziegler. Followed by Greg Satterley, Logan Zarin, Kyle Lee, Kenny Yoder, and David Stam. Okay, they're going to cut him loose. Race control says it's go time. It's Piper and Montgomery on the point. This ought to get interesting, ladies and gentlemen. These guys both like to put the hammer down on the high side. They'll creep down to the starting line here. Here they go. Green, green. Piper out front early in the lead. Montgomery second. Oh, Hershey around the ring, over in 3. Eight laps is the distance. Piper, bring him down. Green, green, green. Montgomery on the outside. He'll lead it, coming down the front stretch. Piper second. Dylan Lewis third. Myers. It's Montgomery out front. Dylan Lewis and Hershey doing battle for third. halfway. Myers will make the pass on Lewis, coming off 2. Montgomery still shows himself up front. Two to go. White flag from Montgomery. Hershey working on Piper in the 21P. Checkered flag, flying Ryan Montgomery in the 12. Piper second, Hershey third, Myers fourth, Dylan Lewis fifth. Okay, heat race number 3. Pinkhurst, he'll lead him down to the stripe. Robinson till he's outside, Eckert to the inside behind. Here we go. Whoa, we got a big jump. Robinson gets a little early on that. Pinkhurst on the pre-race show earlier, brought to you by Elbows Up Dirt Productions. Here we go. Green. Lake on the top, he has to left though. Eckert working on second place with Robinson. Robinson shuts the door. Pinkhurst a lead lap 1. Oh, here we go. We got a caution. Robinson around the ring. Robinson around the ring. If he rejoins the field. Not sure what happened there. Pinkhurst's first time here at the Bull Ring. Looking forward to this track. When we spoke earlier. Pinkhurst says green. Lake trying to get to the outside of Eckert. Lake way up on the cushion. Eckert slowly working in on Pinkhurst. Robinson into third. Eckert underneath Pinkhurst. Eckert, he'll door up down the backstretch. Let's see if he'll take it. Eckert to the lead. Robinson off pace, not sure. Rick Eckert, your new leader. Brock Pinkhurst second. Eckert stretches way out. Checkered flag, Squab Eckert. He'll win heat race number 3. Pinkhurst second. Lake third.